Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking chapter 2 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access and many more courses. I am handling many students courses uh, from USA, Canada, and you can contact me for your assignment help, quizzes or any course help through my WhatsApp and email. You can see this. I have done this course for my one student and he got A+ grade in their courses. You can see this. Okay, now let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. First we will enable editing. Now title of assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Inland Jewelers. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Okay, now moving on, question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Inland Jewelers. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. You can download this file your portal easily. Okay, you can see this my file. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. Now moving on, next question. Next question is that question number 2. Okay, insert a function. Insert a function in cell B2 to display the current date from your system. Okay, insert a function in B2 to display the current date from your system. Moving on, Excel workbook, and then click on cell B2. First we will enable editing. Click on cell B2, enter is equal to, go to the formula and date and time. Insert a function current date from your system. Okay, insert a function in cell B2 to display the current date from your system. Moving on, Excel workbook, enter is equal to, first we will press is equal to, then we will click on formula and then simply click on date and time. Okay, and then we will see today function in here. Click on today and then press OK. Okay, and current date will be inserted in here. And then question number 3 is that with cell B2 selected, set the width of column B2 auto fill. Okay, moving on, Excel workbook, click on column B and then click on home tab and then click on format tab and then click on auto fit column width. Okay, the date will be shown here. Now moving on to question number 4. Insert a VLOOKUP function in cell C5 to display the ring cost for the first student. The cost of the ring tab should be an exact match. Use appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Okay, basically in this question we will have to insert a VLOOKUP function in cell C5 to display the ring cost for the first student. The cost of the ring tab should be an exact match. Okay, moving on, Excel workbook, then we will click on cell C5. Okay, then we will press is equal to and then enter a VLOOKUP function. Okay, VLOOKUP function and then B5. Okay, B5, then A16 and enter dollar sign in here. Okay, A16 B5 A16 to B19. Okay, and then enter dollar sign in B19, then 2, then false is statement. Okay, and okay, false, then press enter. It will be show cost is here. Okay, insert a VLOOKUP function in cell C5 to display the ring cost. Ring cost will be find here. You can see this ring cost will be find in cell C5. Okay, this is done. Now use of absolute cell references. Okay, this is done. Now question number 5 is that fill the function from cell C5 to the range C6 to C11. Okay, C6 to C11. Moving on Excel workbook, fill this function in column C. Okay, fill this function, column C will be filled in this function. Now moving on question number 6. Apply accounting number format to the range C5 to C11. You can copy this range. You can copy this range and enter range in range area. Okay, and then go to the home tab simply, and then simply click go to the number group, and then click on accounting number format. Okay, accounting number format will be applied on here in this range, applying on this range. Now moving on next question, question number 7. In question number 7, insert an if function in cell E5 to calculate the total dues. If the student has chosen to personalize the ring, there is an additional charges of 5% located in cell B21 that must be added to the cost of the ring. If not, the student only pays the base price. Use appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Basically, in this question, we will have to insert an if function in cell E5 to calculate the total dues. Okay. Now moving on Excel workbook, then click on cell E5. First we will enter is equal to then we will enter if function. Okay, if the student has chosen to personalize the ring, there is an additional charges of 5% located in cell B21 that must be added to the cost of the ring. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on D5 is equal to yes, and C5 cost C5 plus C5 plus into C5. Okay, cost multiplying by B21. Sorry, B21 and enter dollar sign here. And then C5 cost is here, and then press enter. It will be find insert and function D5 to calculate total dues. Total dues will be find in here. Simply you can see this total dues will be find in here. We will enter this formula if function. We will first enter if function and then enter formula in cell E5, and then total dues will be find in here. Okay. Question number 8 is that use the function from C5 to the range use the function from E5 to the range E6 to E11. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, and then use fill handle to the function. Okay, in complete column E11 through E11. Okay, this is done. Now you can see this. I have done this course for many students and he got A+ grade in their courses. Please contact me for your assignment help, or you want to read for complete course. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I will provide you A+ grade with very reasonable price. Now moving on question number 8. Now question number 9. Apply accounting number format to the range E5 to E11. First we will select this range E5 to E11. Now moving on Excel workbook, enter this range in range area. Okay, then we will apply accounting number format. Simply go to the home tab and then go to the number group and click on accounting number format. Okay, accounting number format will be applying on this range. Now moving on to question number 10. Insert a PMT function in cell G5 to calculate the first student's monthly payment using appropriate relatives and absolute cell references. Ensure the result is a positive number. Okay, basically in this question we will have to insert a PMT function in cell G5 to calculate the first student's monthly payment using appropriate relatives and absolute cell references. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, and then we will click on cell G5 to calculate the first student monthly payment. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell G5. First we will press is equal to and then enter PMT function. Here is PMT function. Okay, and then B22. Okay, then B22 into dollar sign shift and 4 B22 divided by 12, and then F5 divided by F5 multiplying by 12, and then subtract from E5. Okay, and then press enter. It will be show monthly payment in here. You can see this. I have find and calculate the first student monthly payment. Here is first student monthly payment. You can see this. Fill down the formula. Now apply accounting number format on this ranges. Apply accounting number format on the cell G5 to G11. Okay, you can select this, then go to the home tab and then click on accounting number format. Okay, calculate the totals in cell C12, E12 and G12. Okay, we will calculate the total in cell C12, E12 and G12. Moving on Excel workbook, click on C12. First we will enter is equal to and then enter sum function, and then enter this range and then press enter. It will be find cost, and then is enter. Click on cell E12, enter is equal to and then enter sum function. Okay, then this range is and then press enter. It will be show total is here. Okay, you can see this. I have done 95% of this assignment. For remaining questions or you want to deal for the complete course, please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A+ grades, no plagiarism. I will give you very reasonable prices. Okay, and please, I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, economics, writing, math, and many more courses. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. I am showing you my one other student's grade. You can see this. I have done this course for my one student and he got A+ grade in all assignments, all course. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.